It's a marvelous day in the Craftbox Girls craft room. We are taking Paperhouse Productions' brand new paper line, Marvelous, and creating 3D amazing wall art. Let's go ahead and get started. Select a decorative frame and cut a piece of chicken wire to fit the back of the frame. Cover your surface and use spray adhesive on your chicken wire. Next, sprinkle your favorite color glitter all over the chicken wire. Next, pick your favorite colors of Paperhouse Productions' Marvelous and cut out different shapes and sizes of butterflies. Bend the butterflies in the center and use glue to attach two butterflies together to give it a 3D effect. Use a staple gun to attach the chicken wire to the back of the decorative frame. Flip frame over and attach your 3D butterflies to create the perfect 3D wall art. How pretty is this wall art? I love it. I cannot wait to add it to our gallery wall in the craft room. But think about how pretty it would look in a baby nursery or even in your living room. You can change up the colors to match your decor. Okay, so if you love this video, please make sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and if you've got a question, post it in the comments and we'll be sure to get back to you quickly. If you love the video, give us a heart and share it with your friends. Okay, make sure to stay tuned. We've got more DIYs and crafts coming your way.